Hi, this is Pooja. Welcome back to my channel. So in this video, I'll be talking all about lingerie. That is what you should wear under what. So I get a lot of questions in my DMs asking me what am I wearing under this dress, what am I wearing under that dress. So to answer all your questions related to lingerie, I thought I should make one video. So yes, without any further ado, let's get started with the video. So one thing which every girl should have is t-shirt bra. T-shirt bra is a seamless bra where these lines are not visible. So whenever you're going to wear any kind of thin cloth or a bodycon cloth, you see those lines are visible, which doesn't look good. So that's why you should have t-shirt bras with you. And this bra I bought from shyaway.com. So I'll provide all the links in the description box below. Whatever product you like, you can buy from those links. So it's a underwired bra. So as you can see, it is provided with a wire so that it can give you more support. I personally prefer buying wired bras instead of going for a wireless bra. So they not only provide you more support, but they also give more definition to your body. So I bought this in this beautiful floral print. Buy any t-shirt bra which is wired and which is seamless so that these lines are not visible. Strap width is also good. So whenever you will go to buy a bra, make sure that the band width is more just to provide you more support. And yes, make sure that you buy the right size bra for you, because that is the most important point above all these points which I told you before. And make sure that the fabric is stretchy. As you can see, it has got amazing stretchability, so that आप इसमें बिल्कुल भी uncomfortable feel ना करे, and it will be skin friendly. So yes, let's try go for something which is stretchable and which has good amount of elasticity in it. Okay, so next category is of strapless bra, or you can go for a detachable bras where you can just remove this, wear as it is, or you can style this in multiple ways, as there can be a crisscross bag. Or what you can do is just use those transparent straps where you just have to put a hook over here. And these kind of strapless bras are literally the go-to lingerie which you really need in your wardrobe, so that you can wear this under any kind of dress. I personally prefer buying wired bras because they provide you more support. So whenever you're going to buy a strapless bra, always go wired bra instead of a wireless. और इसके अंदर ये सिलिकॉन होता है जो आपकी स्किन पे स्टिक हो जाता है, एंड ये बिल्कुल भी नीचे नहीं आएगा, एंड आपको गिरने का डर भी नहीं रहेगा. सो एंड मेक श्योर इसकी जो बैंड्स की विड्थ है वो थोड़ी ज्यादा होनी चाहिए, सो दैट आप इसके साथ स्ट्रैप्स नहीं भी पहनी तो भी ये अच्छे से सपोर्ट दे आपको. सो यस. But make sure to buy the right size, because no matter how expensive your bras are, if you don't buy the right size, it is never going to show any difference. So here you can go for two colors, nude and black. Next category of bras would be a plunging neckline. Now these are perfect for the dresses or outfits which has a deep neckline, where you can see the middle part is slightly less in width compared to the t-shirt bras. As you can see here, the width is more compared to this width. So when you wear dresses which has a deep neckline or tops which has a deep neckline, you can go with these plunging neckline bras where this width is not visible no matter how deep your neckline is. Okay, so this I bought from Shyaway. Again, the straps are very stretchable, because of which it is skin friendly. The fabric is also very nice in quality. Okay, so the next category is of push-up bra, and I have this beautiful fancy push-up bra with me in this black color, and this can be worn as a bralette also. If you choose to wear any kind of sheer top over this, then it is absolutely going to look very beautiful because it has this beautiful lacy detailing. Plus it's a push-up bra which is going to give you more sexy looks. And push-up bras, यहाँ पे जो padding की होती है वो थोड़ी ज़्यादा होती है compared to this part, so that it can lift up your boobs and it can provide you more support. So it's a boon for skinny girls, and it's good for those dresses which actually split up your boobs and you don't get that sexy perfect looks. This is perfect for those dresses, and it has got the straps which can be removed and styled in different ways. You can also style transparent strap with this. You can remove this and इसके ऊपर transparent straps लगा सकते हैं. This also I got from Shyaway का collection मुझे बहुत अच्छा लगता है. बहुत ही affordable prices में you can buy bras there. So I think I paid 2500, and 2500 में I got 6 bras. So, next category is of lacy bras. So it's a beautiful maroon color lacy bra, and as you can see यहाँ पे भी lace है and आगे भी पूरी lace detailing है. So this is perfect for some dresses where you want that the lace of the bra should be visible. Perfect for semi-sheer tops, or some dresses where the neckline but the neckline is something different and this is visible, so I love this. But again, it's a choice whether you want to invest in a lacy bra or not, because I think this is not that important. Next I have the sports bra. As you can see, it's an everyday sports bra. It's a wire-free, non-padded everyday bra. This you can use for your normal sport activities, and this is so comfortable. The fabric is so amazing. So this you can wear when you're home and you don't want that extra support. So this is good for those days, and for normal sports activities also you can prefer this. If you're going to gym and you are doing those heavy sports activities, then I'll say go for something which has padding in it, so for that extra support, and which is wired so that it will not bounce your bust area. So yes, perfect sports bra for normal day, normal activities. And for everyday bra, I'll suggest go for something like this. It has a very light padding. It's comfortable for those people who just don't prefer wearing normal bras which has no padding, because I'm that kind of girl. I don't like to wear bras without any padding. So it has a beautiful fabric, and you can wear this outside also, and you can wear this when you're home. So it has a light wire over here, so it is going to provide you support. Plus it's beautiful. It's in this beautiful powder blue color, and it has a cotton fabric just to make you feel more comfortable. I bought from Shy Away. So I'll provide all the links in the description box below. So still, if you have any queries, you can ask me in the comment section below, or you can DM me. So yes, that's it for today's video. If you liked my video, give it a thumbs up, share with your friends, and do subscribe my channel for such amazing videos. Bye, we'll see you next time.